Hey, what's up? So, I'm going to DesignerCon, and I got a truck full of stuff. It's pretty cool to do a show that's somewhat local. It's a 2-hour drive, but I rented this little van, little minivan, and I brought the Metallica pinball. Warning, the time wasted watching this video is non-refundable. Alright, I made it. Here we are. Finally here. Check it out. How much are tacos?
I don't know.
Oh man.
Do you have to do this? Really?
And Cholo, thank you.
artbybrookweston.com.
Oh,
and
great.
My Instagram is Brooke S. Weston.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah.
Ron, very, very cool stuff. Awesome. I got Lindsay Kuhn, poster artist. You're on Donnie TV.
All right, hey everybody, what's going on down there?
Show them some of your art and stuff. You're set up and
Yeah.
show. And
Yeah, we're here at DCon, set up, hanging out in Anaheim.
Cheers, Donnie TV. Freaking killing it over here at the DesignerCon.
Donnie TV. Wow.
You're watching Donnie TV. You're watching Donnie TV. Donnie TV.
Cartoons by Travis.
So in Canada, the corn dog is called a pogo.
Yeah, it's called a pogo, which is also the official punk dance of Canada. I think it was created by the French Canadians. They have a whole different term, but that's where the pogo came from, I believe. And I think it's Quebec. In Quebec, I forget where in Quebec, but they have a festival, the Pogo Festival.
That's right, because pogos, there's always like, they have the restaurants in Quebec that are like La Belle Province, and it's like poutine and steamy hot dogs.
Steamy Michigan.
Steamers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Michigan.
These used to be like 75-cent hot dogs. Boom, boom, ba-da-low, ba-ba-ba-ba-bow.
Bow, 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 wow, wow, wow.
Stomp, 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 bow, bow, biddly doo, bow, stomp, bow, bow, biddly, 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 bow. Bow, 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 biddly, diddly, dong, 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 biddly, biddly.
You're watching Donnie TV.
Want to do it right now?
Sure. Do you want to roll
One
in?
take drop, and they don't call me that for nothing.
Yeah. Are you scared of my Skeletor ring?
Yeah.
So you do amazing designs, amazing work.
We were just getting to know each other. I mean, I didn't know about any of this stuff here, you know? For me to go to these things, it's like, take one walk. Every 100 feet, I'm dropping $100. 200 feet, $200.
Yeah.
Vicious.
Yeah.
So youngsters, come to this thing. Of all ilk, you know, not just vinyl toy dipshits or whatever.
Yeah.
But graphic designers and artists and makers and families and shit can all come to this stuff too. So it's pretty cool.
It's amazing.
Eat and hang out.
DesignerCon's amazing. Yeah, there's so much good stuff.
It's a lesson that I just want to go be campers at these things. I mean, we drag all of our shit in here. We're trying to make rent.
Yeah.
But, you know, I just want to come and hang out.
Yeah.
Thank you. We made it. We're going to make rent.
Yeah. It's nice. Yeah.
Great. It's
Right on.
great. I mean, we're surprised because we get nervous coming in on something that we don't really know the kind of crowd and stuff. But
Yeah.
hopefully there's enough stuff here that people can, like with babies. And
Yeah.
one woman bought a bunch of stuff for just her nursery. And
Yeah.
that really is a cool leap for me because
Yeah.
there's nothing ironic about it. There's nothing hip or Portlandy or any of that shit. It's just like
Yeah.
babies like color.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Come by the shop, man.
Cool,
What we'll
that'd be
do is we'll
awesome.
call these tall boys. We'll get him, you know, have them over the shop and hang out.
Sounds good.
Have a summit of awesome.
Sounds good.
I mean, because
Yeah.
I'm a fan, you know, and I didn't really know it existed. I've seen the stuff. I've heard the things. I mean, I've seen the pinball, but you know, I didn't know it was a couple people. It looks bigger than that. That's an odd compliment.
Yeah. Oh,
'Cause I don't know. I don't know. If one guy in the desert can just make cool shit, that's really cool. I mean, I'm 45 years old. It's one guy making all this bullshit with a lovely young lady over there selling it all. That's Lee over there, you know.
Hey.
You guys should all check out Notes to Self. This is her little
Notes to Self.
gnarly little.
Nice.
I
Nice.
love those.
Right.
Yeah,
Oh,
see,
cool.
all
Yeah.
according to plan. That's
Yeah.
This is Lee's. She's the CEO of all this.
Yeah.
But
Nice.
she's been watching me do this stuff. She made her own. I help her with the design and stuff. But she's in a bunch of stores now and stuff, and she's making her own little brand with her own point of view, and that's really inspiring to me too. I even forget that you can start over and try new shit. You know,
Yeah.
so seeing some of the stuff here where I'm blown away. I mean, last night laying in bed, I was sketching, thinking of new ways to have fun with this shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, because new kinds of crowds and new price points, and also never breaking the bank. You know, there's some stuff I don't quite understand here. These toys for a couple $1,000. I get it. There's especially I like the shit that's $10, $15.
Yeah.
Anyone can get $5.
So do I. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, like just things that a family can walk in. All the little guys can get a couple things. That's what we try to do here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anywhere we go, you know.
Yeah.
We can ramp it up and ramp it down depending on heavy metal people or whatever the fuck, you know, or families.
Yeah.
We can try.
Yeah. Well, thanks for chatting, man, and I'll get
Nice to meet you.
Get some roll of your stuff, and cool.
One take.
One take, man. No editing. That's how we do it at Donnie TV. And I want to thank Glow Clock Collective. You guys gave me a bunch of swag and t-shirts and stickers, and I don't have any because it's in the wash and we stuck all the stickers. But when I get it all together, I'll make a review. Thank you guys. I want to thank Barbarian Rage, Scott Cherry, Dark Dimensions. I opened it, man. I opened it, but check that out. Check it out. He made that. It's like a crazy Skeletor, dude. I love this thing. Popped out at the show. Amazing. I took it out of the box, so it's not going back in. It's on my toy shelf. Thank you, man. Han Cholo. Check these out. Incredible. So this guy is a double ring. So there's Cringer and there's Battle Cat, and you can wear them. Wear them both. So super stoked on that. This is so neat. Thank you guys so much. I'm like a little kid here. My Skeletor ring. I wear that all the time because I'm good like that. Here's my D20. It's not gonna fit on there. There we go. Amazing. Thank you guys. Super cool. And then we got this book from Aaron Draplin. He signed it to Jenny and I. Thank you, brother. This is amazing. You guys need to go out and buy Aaron's book. Go to his website. There's a link below. I'm not going to do this justice flipping through like this, but it's got a ton of his work. You can tell how much work he's put into this book. I know I've done books, and they are a lot of work, and this book looks like a huge undertaking. So amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Aaron.
Don't forget to subscribe to Donnie TV.
1,000 subscribers.
We got 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, check it out. 1,000 subscribers.
Wait,
Hold on.
1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Awesome. Made it. Milestone. Awesome.
Thank you. We're gonna make rent.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah.